I don't want your prayers.
What do you want then?
I want you.
Little ghost, you're listening.
Hello, Inej. It'll give me some comfort to know that you're with me in the shadows.
Trust is the other side of secrecy, Kaz. I wouldn't miss it.
I walk the halls invisibly. I climb the walls, no one sees me. No one.
Kaz, if not saints, what do you believe in?
Myself.
Why'd I even ask?
And you, my crows.
Now I want to fly into your world.
Inej, look at me. Look at me.
My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger.
You saved my life.
Inside.
Maybe you stay here.
Maybe I won't be able to go back.
Stay. You were right. Stay and get to them. Stay with me.
Oh, little ghost, you see the pain.
I didn't know if you would.
Fine.
Can make something beautiful.
I need you.
So take my hand and perfectly we fill
And
the
how we
gaps.
have
You
been.
and me made 3 hours meant
Love
for
song.
you and you
Fully
for
clothed.
me.
Is it real?
Did your toxic trip reveal to you?
Hope is dangerous. My head turned. Clouds of judgment. So our lips never touch. I have you, and now you are gone. You're spread. No, we don't have you at all.
Wanted to say goodbye.
After everything, didn't think you were the sentimental type. There's nothing else you want to say to me.
What else is there? Crows don't just remember the faces of people who wronged them.
I want to fly.
They also remember those who are kind. They tell each other who to look after and who to watch out for.
Is there anyone to protect you?
No saint ever watched over me. There are those who drown us.
Is
there no one to protect you? Not like you have. And those who pull us out.
Me ugly pretty.